Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use coins to redeem or have coupons on Aliexpress. Now, one thing worth mentioning is that coins only show up on the mobile app, not on the browser right here. And using the coins, you can earn them by doing many tasks such as daily check-ins or buying stuff and other things. And once you get coins, you cannot exchange them directly for products. However, you can exchange them for coupon codes. And once you buy a product, or you are going to buy a product, you can redeem the coupon code to get a discount of the product here. So the coupons, have them on the mobile application. And once you do, you can go ahead and make like daily sign-ins and other complete games and other tasks to earn more coins. And once you do, you can go ahead and redeem these coins for coupon codes that you can later redeem to get discounts once you buy a product on or from AliExpress.